So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Hey Tada, my name is Ngosinglondi Lamini, a first year Bachelor of Science in Information Technology student at the University of Eswatini. I'm sure Gutsi Nikatse, our everyday host, Lihle Lamini, Gutsi Nguyelo hostago as always. But unfortunately, he's not around today. And Genami, I'm not here to host a show, or I'm not here to host a guest or something. We chose to bring something different today. All together. So, niyatibuta ke kutsi ngingibani and why am I here? I'm one of the guys laba behind the scenes Beyond the Books podcast. I'm the executive producer of Beyond the Books. So I'm also a part-time graphic designer, or I may say I'm an upcoming graphic designer. Ngisho ukuthi ndawukhumbula ukuthi our last episode besi hoste Khangela Dube, a graphic designer, asitshela about his journey in graphic designing, in which I'm sure ukuthi ya inspiration labaneng, including myself. So I decided to say, okay, today ngicale ngithi ngintshele my story in graphic designing bese ngikhathi ke sengiqhubeka. But before ngintshele my graphic designing story, ngidawuthanda ukuthi nangabe bongase so subscribe in our channel. Please do subscribe, please like, please comment, sayibonga support yenu. Thank you so much. So ka graphic designing ngemine, I'm a self-taught graphic designer. Ngayifunda graphic designing in 2023. Bese ngihlete ekhaya sengicedzile scholar like sengicedzile form 5 and ngingathi ukuthi ngentani, ngingathi ukuthi yini lengangifakela imali ngaso sikhathi leso. So I decided ukuthi ngibuke ema videos ka YouTube and use some information from the internet. Ngibuke ukuthi yini lengakwenda, and I thought of graphic designing. Ngabuka ema applications, ema tutorials, ema applications ka YouTube lengawasebenzisa. I started practicing ngendela abantu ema poster mahala by then. So in which most of them, okay, although lawekucala vele they were not that much, but ezingichubeka yabo bacala bawathanza, and ke ngase ke nami sengiyacala ukuthi okay, and now I can start monetize this. Ngacala ngaba charge leyo madlana lencane. Of course bengasima learning because come on, I was a beginner. Okay, I'm still a beginner because akusinto lengenda full time. So yeah, ngangena ke into graphic designing. Ngacala ngaba designela, ngiba charge those small amounts up until recognize one of my brands. I'm not sure if niyati, but nangabe ungumuntu lo msebenza kwamanzini, umlo wasebenza ngama organic products, especially latholakala amanzini, you know, and display organic products. So recognize and waqala ukuthi ngimdesignele some of my stickers for my products akhe, and in which I've been working with them for some time now. So yeah, so then I'm also the guy behind lama thumbnails alama videos alama episodes leswaposta khona la ka YouTube. If ungathatha kunaka our episodes and lama thumbnails akhona, there is some consistency, like anako kufana. So I designed those ngibambisene nalo libandla la Beyond the Books because I wasn't alone. I can't take all the credit on that one. Sibambisene, we designed those thumbnails lenwabonako lesihlale stimarketa ngawo even on our Facebook page. Yeah. So that's how I got into graphic designing. I'm still yena nami senguthi ngiyalokhanza ukuthi ngibese like I'm disturb ukuthi sengibhizi kakhulu ngentincwadi, sengibhizi kakhulu phinze nga other things, including being an executive producer waka Beyond the Books. Phindze ngibe sports journalist wase-UNISA FM, phindze ngibe media and communications officer wase-Sifiso Mental Health. But-ke angikho lapho ngisakhuluma nga-Beyond the Books. Kokuqala ngicala nje nginkanzikadze ngicala ngithi ngisheshe ngicacise lokuthi this njengoba ningayiboni host yethu, this is our last episode kule semester labs, because siyathi ukuthi i-University of Eswatini iyavala mhla ka 27 June. So sitabana lenkinga yokuthi sisuka enzaweni leti ehlukahlukene sonke nasiye emakhaya kutaba likhona ukuthi siqhubeke sakhe this podcast, but akusho ukuthi iyaphela because it's just for a few months. By September, October, if I'm not mistaken, siyabuya phindze, we becoming back with a bang. September will notice, if you've watched our previous episodes, will notice ukuthi siya upgrade kancane like ngakunye kona akusiko malula, but I'm sure, or I promise, ngicela kunithembisa ukuthi nasibuya there will be a lot of improvement. Like there will be a lot of improvement. Njengoba ibona nje manje sesi-improve with a lot of things. Stabe sesi-improve even more nasibuya back, and siyabonga kakhulu i-support yenu. Like you mean, like angathi ukuthi ngachaza ngithini, nisena Steve esibancane. You guys are very supportive. Thank you so much for that one. Siyabonga. So on another note, njengoba bengishito ukuthi I'm also a media and communications officer wase-Sifiso Mental Health. That one, okay, I got that position. I think last month, May is early May. I applied, but see, because come on, I love doing media things. Angathi lokhu singangena njani ka IT. I think someone uhle athi ngaduka I should have done bo JMC and stuff, but I love IT. I'm fond of IT. Also ke ngiyithanda i-media. I've been like njengoba ngishito ukuthi ngenda i-sports journalist. I'm a sports journalist at UNISA FM. So ngabona ukuthi vele into media ngiyatitsandzela. So yebo, I got appointed as media and communications officer wase-Sifiso Mental Health, whereby sifundzisa nge-mental health etikolweni. Nangikhuluma etikolo kangikhulumeli ema-high schools or ema-universities kuphela, nema-colleges, even the general public. We offer information about mental health. We offer like advise advices, psychological help and stuff. So for more information, but ungazivakashela on our Facebook page. Vele ungene ku Facebook wakho usearche Sifiso Mental Health Foundation. I think it's na 1.2k followers. So singajabulela ukuthi usifollowishe. It really mean a lot to us. Kungasho nekuchubeka kwemsebenzi kwe-mental health, because ngisakhuluma nge-mental health nje since 9 June, it's Men's Mental Health Awareness Month. So singajabulela ukuthi nisivakashele ekhasini lethu la ka Facebook. Bese ke sengichaza ngekuthi ngejourney yami yokuba ngu-sports journalist wase-UNISA FM. Ngibe ngingayendi nale journalism. That one is mystery. But I really thank UNISA FM ngakuthi bangavalele mathuba esibantu besikolo abasemva University of Eswatini bangavalele mathuba ukuthi siparticipate station regardless ukuthi siyendi journalism noma asiyendi. So like I went for auditioning. Like I talked to one of Lama guys who is a producer one of Lama shows Emma Sports UNISA FM, and ngaba like what are the requirements for one could see a host a sports show, like as nawe hoster. What's young buta ukuthi do you want to host one? Ngathi ke yeah, ngakujabulela. Wangitshela ukuthi Okay, ubota nge-Thursday. It was they usually do auditions on Thursdays. But ubota nge-Thursdays ngilok audition. Then bophathi batabe seba decide ukuthi are you fit for a show or not. Ngaba like, oh. Ngaya ke on that Thursday bang auditiona ba letha I feedback after some time but said no, you passed, you can do this but sige I'll be co-hosting but ngidabe co-hosta naye. Okay, I won't mention names here but I'm sure ukuthi niyamati sesimbonile kakhulu MCR in some of Emma shows sesinangabe yayilale UniSFM. You also know him ku Midday Link Up at Dallas Day. So like you but sige I'll be co-hosting naye sports build up ngema Fridays nangema Sundays sports raps. Ngema Fridays ngena nga 3 kuya ku 4, then ngema Sundays ngena nga 7 kuya ku 8. So that's how I got to be a sports journalist. Lebe sibuke kakhulu ke isikhathi esiningi bengibuke kakhulu uMvasilik because kaMvasilik ngiphenza ngibe officiator. Nakhona I'm also a student like officiating. So yeah. So bengiba deliver kakhulu tindzaba letenteka kuMvasilik. Nangabe ungase zove ngeMvasilik, I think that's a story for another day. Nginichazela ngeMvasilik on another day nakutawenda ngiphinze ngiyithole iplatform le kanje ukuthi ngichaze njengoba ngichaza nyalo. Otherwise, thank you guys, thank you so much for your time. Siyabonga isikhathi senu, siyabonga ukuthi nisi-support. This is not i-episode yekugcina noma ke akusho ukuthi Beyond the Books iyafa. We're just taking a break, a 3 months break. Not even 3 months, I think it's 2 months. Then we'll be back again. Sintilivele ishoweni lemnanzi lapho sitabe sichubeka nekuthi si scout for my students who are doing work beyond tincwadi, who are doing work beyond kufunza. Siwambe swa interview asitshele ukuthi nani khona batokhona ukuthi basupporteke because siyathi impilo yasemvasi guys ukuthi kulikhuni kanganani to just live by yourself bebede a source of income. So ukuthi basupporteke. If ufisile kufaka sandla esivivaneni on our podcast, siyamukele ngetandla leti totimbili. Like we'd really appreciate that. Ungangishayela mina, my number is 78232801. Ungaphinza ungibhalele ka WhatsApp on that same number 78232801. Nangabe phinza ufisile kusponsorisha because at this moment sisete ema sponsors. Nabe ufisile kusponsorisha usangishayela kuleyo nombolo sikhulumisane sibone ukuthi sivumelana kanjani. Otherwise, thank you so much. Okay, answering that question, could say how has been my experience as the producer of Beyond the Books. Okay, cool experience. Okay, there's a lot of pressure, obviously, because I have to deal with my schoolwork. Then, business as a producer, as producer, we have to edit, sound, the video and stuff. If we are an editor, you know what I'm talking about. We are lama challenges lesibhekana nawo nas edit. So that one my challenges. Obviously I've faced my challenges. In fact, I won't say I've faced my challenges. We as the team, the Beyond the Books team, we face my challenges every day. But we are dedicated because we are doing this from our heart. Like in Tanzago, so we love doing what we do. So we always make sure we find time from our schedule to focus on the podcast. Let's make sure the podcast is produced, issued. Let's make sure we find a guest. Let's make sure everything let's yendiwe kuze wena ukhone kubukela kuze ema-students akhone ukuthi asupporteke lawo ma-side hustles awo lawendako either nalawo ma-talent awo lawendako atiwe yabo. So it's challenging, yes, but because we are doing this from the bottom of our hearts. Sigwenda ngelthando, we love it. We always find time ukuthi slot into our schedule. So I think I've answered that. To make a career, what would you choose? Okay, if I were to choose one of the things like Tendago to make a career, what would I choose? Umatima, because most of the things like Tendago it's hands. So okay, it's being the producer of this podcast. It's being media and communications officer at Sesfiso Mental Health. It's being sports journalist or saying as FM, officiate games, Ramvasilik, and many other things. So I sometimes help people with their laptops since I'm doing an IT course, an IT program. So I sometimes help people thinking with their laptops. At a fee though, I do graphic designing. So if I were to choose one thing for a career, okay, like in the usual priority list, one, it's working with with media, as I'm doing now, because like producing and podcast is some kind of media. It's involving in media. So my dream career is to invest my IT skills after 4 years nangphuma emvasi ukuthi invest my IT skills into media. That could be like that's my dream career. In fact, that's my dream career. It's to work in media, but doing IT in media. I'm not looking at but I hope you understand that. That's my dream career. Yeah. Who was my favorite guest so far? That one is very simple. As like in stage okay. All of the guests like Etala, they were my favorite because they told their original stories like but there's always one person outstand like that's very obvious. Since Bengshito earlier on, justify my choice. Bengshito earlier on, I'm also into graphic designing, and there's only one person Kulalaba Figile who is doing graphic design. That is Kangala Dube. You may watch our previous episode, very previous episode, and listen to his story. Get inspired. Now, we graphic designer ufuna pursue like your career in graphic designing. Go watch that episode. In show inspired. I'm very much sure in acting because I was acting next to a degree or a diploma in graphic designing for you to be a graphic designer. You just have to be a freelancer. Like you just have to practice because into the kamga within go graphic designer. You just have to keep on practicing, then you'll be the best. Otherwise, all the other guests like Eta, they were the best because but delivered their original stories. But they show but deliver my stories about themselves. So I'm not discriminating anyone. They were very great. I love them all. Yeah, thank you. Okay. Then, okay, since I'm always busy, when do I get time to enjoy my varsity life? That question is also tricky because I enjoy my varsity life. Ngakutsi ngibe busy. Ngisemba ni understand ukuthi we are in an environment whereby kutelo there's no one lot out there quota for anything. So kanza bantu basuka emakhaya babo good boy but baphuma emvasi ba into drugs and stuff. So mina being busy lokuthi ngihlale ngendele ingqondo ibe busy, it's my way to avoid the stress, next thing avoid kuthi like ngibe nesidungu ngigcine sengingenele imikhuba lemibi fine angisho ukuthi umsebenzi wesikolo omncane ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi ngingaze ngibe nesidungu but come on you may want to refresh yabo nga something else le outside of tincwadzi so mina the only way lokhanza ukuthi ngirefresha ngayo or the only way le enjoy refresha ngayo is being busy either by producing as a podcast as we do or by being a UNESCO FM sports journalist or by doing other things for to go officiate my games and Vasilic njengoba bengisho earlier on so yeah for me indlela enjoy ngayo being here it's just ups and downs creating my connections because ngisuka ekhaya ngithi ngitakumathapha ngidofunza but another objective le yangibeka la le yangenda ngedala kumathapha ukuthi I want to create as much connections as I can so that tomorrow nasekwendeka sengiqedile mhlambe sengiphethe i-degree yami sengifuna isito either sengifuna umsebenzi or anything ngathi ukuthi I'm known like ngeke kube matima like they know my work bawubonile umsebenzi wami I can prove them like that's why I'm here so for me that's how I enjoy my varsity life in fact in the next 5 years I see myself as a businessman that one might sound funny I know but I'm one business-minded person. Like I've been trying, so long I figure I've been trying several businesses. Although some of them are primarily due to some reasons. I tried doing printing and photocopying. Ngasese ngifela ngile printer, so ngisengakhona kuyilungisa so far. So yeah, kuba I see myself as a business man in the next 5 years because there are some other projects which I can't expose here on air. Let's say with some of my high school friends, some of my high school friends, we came together with an idea. We are trying to implement something, and this fees. In fact, in the next 5 years, the idea I'm laying on I'm sure it's a long way. I'm sure it's recognized as one of the big firms in the country. That's where I see myself in the next 5 years. Okay. This season, Beyond the Books, it has been the best. Like, the season labesi besicathuta khona ngiyathi ukuthi umntana akamani agijime yabo. I love this Sjava song let's see umntana nakatala ngekamana agijime kutawumane aqale yabo lama steps so this is ngilapho like lama steps ngithemba njengoba bengisho earlier on if you watched our very first video lesayenda la if you see the lama backgrounds and stuff sound quality video quality if you compare that video with maybe this one lesesikuyo nyalo utawubona lo mahluko compare video quality or compare sound quality and everything you will see the difference so this season is in labe grow khona kancane from zero from dream because this thing Beyond the Books yaqala as a dream nje bekusifiso ukuthi yathi okay bekusifiso semphathi wethu our everyday host Lihle Dlamini kuthi like afise ukuthi nakanga hosta like a podcast yabo a Beyond the Books podcast whereby people bakhuluma about things labatendako outside of tincwadzi yabo it started as a dream bekangena plan ukuthi utawubanjiswa ngibani and stuff so but look today so as an inspiration to someone lo give up kuma plans akhe out there I'd say it's not the right time to give up akusiso isikhathi lesikhathi sekugive up lama plans akho lawo asesengaphumelela you just have to work on them because ngeke aphumelele na uhleti yabo vele sonke sicala ku-0 the first step is the very important step ngeke ufike kule step ses 1000 without taking the first step. You have to take the first step, then uqhubeke uhambe lama steps uzofike la ufuna kufika khona. So this one, it's been a very inspiring season for me personally. Yeah, beyond the books, like yeah, that's I got inspired. Could see yabona if utawuthi wena une plan but you are not doing anything to accomplish that that plan or that dream of yours, then ngeke accomplish it. But if so ibonile dream yakho, then you are working towards accomplishing it. Ngayihlale ngaphumelela. Thank you so much. As to what to expect on the next season, ngasho ukuthi yabona, I can't wait for next season. Like, be ready for fire. But yabo, next season we are bringing real fire. Yabo, njengoba ngisho ukuthi this season besisacathuta. Next season established in most of the things. Okay, ngeke ngisho ukuthi well established, but sizamile kuvala incumbi etikhala as we try on doing that every day. So sizamile kuvala incumbi etikhala, and we'll make sure ukuthi for every podcast, every episode, let's say we produce the best. Like I'm assuring you on that one. So we'll be producing the best. Expect very high quality content with very high quality sound. Like, expect a world class podcast next season. Otherwise, guys, thank you so much for your time. Sing Beyond the Books. Sisolene mlomo letingulungwane yektibonga for your support. We are nothing ngaphandle kwe support yenu. Thank you so much. Angathi lokhu ngingabonga ngithini. Please siyacela ezisachubeka si produce other seasons, other episodes. Siyacela nichubeke nisibambise, siyacela nichubeke nisisupport. Even if you are not a university student, noma ngawuse high school ngosi yami, you are looking forward to one day ube se university. Please kungendeki uwamise ema episode, because you have to learn from these guys and beautiful girls basho ema stories abo. So you can learn a lot from them. Noma usekhaya awufunzi, you can get ema ideas inqumbi, either ema business ideas noma ke nawo neltalent atsite. Ungaba inspired because we invite ema poets, we invite ema gospel singers and other artists nje of all sorts. We invite labanye lesebaqale ema business, so you'll get inspired. Please sicela nichubeka nisibambise. Otherwise, thank you for your time. Losanvalelisa again, it's me, Ngosingilondile Dlamini. Stay curious.
So back to what I was saying. Could be us.